NISHITEWA. The last moment that we study is we study about NISHITEMO, and now we are studying about NISHITEWA. The grammar of NISHITEWA is mean that for considering is something or someone. In Japanese, when you use the grammar of NISHITEWA, you can use the noun and verb. But in the verb, you should change to be the casual form. So don't be confused, and remember that you can use with the two types only, verb and noun. So to make more understand about how to use the grammar of NISHITEWA, the next we are going to see some sample. 今4月にしてはちょっと暑いですね。今4月にしてはちょっと暑いですね。Which means it's a bit hot for April. It's a bit hot for April. The next example. 外国人にしては日本語が上手だ。外国人にしては日本語が上手だ。That means for a foreigner, his Japanese is very good. For a foreigner, his Japanese is very good. You see that the first sentence we use NISHITEWA with the noun. In our noun in here is in 4月 is mean April. And after that, they followed by ちょっと暑いですね is mean a bit hot. And for the second sentence, you see that they also use the noun with NISHITEWA. In here, our noun is mean is 外国人, right? 外国人 is mean foreigner, or the person that is not the Japanese nationality. 外国人にしては日本語が上手ですね. This means that for the second sentence that they want to compare, right? That means somebody that they speak Japanese is fluently and similar like Japanese. So when you see the person like that, you can say you can say 外国人にしては日本語が上手です。上手だ. That means that person is very good at Japanese. That means you compare with her, compare with another foreigner, right? And for the first sentence, 今4月にしては that means they also compare with another season, right? For in here, 4月 is in April. So when you compare with June or July, right? So you can say it's a bit hot. Actually, for April, it's not so hot. So let's go to see the next example. 初めてケーキを作ったにしては上手にできましたね。初めてケーキを作ったにしては上手にできましたね。That means you did a good job with the cake considering it was your first time. You did a good job with the cake considering it was your first time. In this sentence, we see that they use the verb, right? The verb in our verb in here, that they use the NISHITEWA is tsukutta. Tsukutta is mean make, right? Cook, right? Keiki or tsukutta. This means you make or you cook for a cake. So tsukutta is the past tense of tsukurimasu, right? And in dictionary form is the tsukuru. So this is the past tense, so they say tsukutta NISHITEWA. 上手にできましたね。That means nishitewa they used to compare, right? Compare for your first time, right? 初めてケーキを作った nishitewa, that means they compare for the person who the first time to make cake with another person. Another person when their first time they cannot make very good for cake, but for you or for the person that you're talking with, that means when compared to another, he or she is can make perfectly for the cake, even your first time, right? So we can use the nishitewa to compare something like this. Compare for the first time of somebody with another person is good or is better than another person. For your first time is better than Mr. B or Mr. A. You can say like this, each of this. So the next, この子は小学生にしては随分しっかりしている。この子は小学生にしては随分しっかりしている。Which means that for an elementary school student, this kid sure has himself in order. For an elementary school student, this kid sure has himself in order. For this sentence, they use the noun with nishitewa. In here, our noun is shogakuse. Shogakuse is mean elementary school student, or the student that is in elementary school. So they also compare the student. Konoko, this means this kid, right? This kid. So they compare this kid with another kid. And for even he just in elementary school, but he has himself in order. That means he has follow the rule of the school rule, or he serious with anything that he or she is doing about. So in Japanese you can say この子は小学生にしては随分しっかりしているね。This means they compare this kid with another kid. This kid is very serious about what is he doing, he thinking, right? So you can compare something like this. Or you can compare even he is in the elementary school, but he is very serious about what he will doing or what he is going to do, something like this. Thank you very much for watching my video clip, and please help me subscribe my channel if you haven't. I hope to see you about learning Japanese in the next time. ありがとうございました。